Hi, I'm Steve Ritz. I am a local educator and lifelong Bronx resident. And I work in a K-12 school, but I am also the founder of Green Bronx Machine. 100% of my kids are either special needs learners, English language learners, homeless, foster care, or adjudicated youth. But I believe that this presents the greatest opportunity to move these kids in some of the most transformational ways to benefit society. We are smack in the middle of the poorest congressional district in America. Also, one of the biggest and most vast and extensive, expansive food deserts in New York City. A food desert is a place where there is very limited access to fresh fruit and vegetables, and people are disconnected from where their food comes from. Most kids think these fruits and vegetables come from aisle 9 in the supermarket. It tears my heart out. It tears my heart out because I think it's real tough for kids to have to walk streets like this to come to school. There are 6 jails in this neighborhood, 6 strip clubs, and not even a public library. So I decided that I was not going to accept the things I could not change, but rather change the things I couldn't accept. And lo and behold, we gave birth to Green Bronx Machine. We were working with green roofs and green walls and really looking at engaging kids in a green economy, jobs and opportunities that A, paid living wage and could never be outsourced. And literally, this was a city street. Now it's decommissioned. It's a public land trust, and we've got block after block of community garden where we once had block after block of community blight. So this wasn't a former, abandoned space right underneath the Metro North train, but using reclaimed resources and 100% recycled materials, we have turned this into an absolute garden and urban oasis. Every plant that you see in here starts with a kindergartner or a first grade in a classroom. But we built this. That's the amazing thing. Kids who are a part of a problem are now part of the solution. So many of my kids were born into problems and situations that were there way before them. The obstacles of coming to school, overcoming gang violence, overcoming a proliferation of drugs and poorly maintained streets. My graduates are really doing amazing things. They're all staying out of trouble, they're losing weight, they're working, they're going to college, they're making living wage. But most importantly, we're standing here in a garden that my very graduates built and help maintain so that future generations can have the same success that was afforded them. It's about planting seeds. My kids are my seeds, and we are harvesting hope and cultivating minds across the South Bronx. The collateral effects, if you will, of everything that we're doing is just spectacular. Littering is down, graffiti's down, vandalism is down. It is easier to raise healthy children than fix broken men. Block by block, we're changing this city, and that to me is what this movement is all about. Together, we can all prosper. My name is Stephen Ritz, and welcome to the New Bronx. I have lived 1,000 lives here on these streets, and I am committed to the urban revitalization of my borough in ways that people have never imagined. This is the home of urban farming, urban renewal, and this is our town. Welcome.